Yes people, FadaGugs is here again with another simple and easy video. Today I'll be showing you how to make blueberry and banana smoothie, which is both healthy and delicious. Right here we've got about 1 cup of blueberry, we've got 1 banana, we're going to put a bit of honey inside it, and we'll use some almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put everything in the blender and just blend it. So I'm going to put in the blueberry, which are all of them things are already washed. So make sure you wash your stuff them before you start blend up. Wash off any little thing. So that's the blueberry. Now just peel the banana. And just break up a banana and drop them in. I'm not necessarily using 1 cup of milk. You can use whatever substitute you want to use, but I'm using some almond milk. Just pour that in it. Then we'll put about a teaspoon of honey inside it. That's it. So now I'm gonna blend it up. Let's get this out of the way. So yeah, so that's it. Dip on the blender. We're gonna blend it up now, make it into a nice smoothie. Yes, so people, we're done blend up the thing here now. So you just need to throw them out in your jar. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that, lovely and nice. So that's it. That's it. The final product. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on a post notification so you'll be the first of many to know when I drop a new video. And give me a thumbs up and share if you've liked this video. For now, FadaGugs is out.